What's up, everybody? Alright, so got a new product today. This is new and different for me anyway. I did open the box up before I realized what it was, but I've not taken it out. I did remove some info from the label, but this is something I saw online and thought that was pretty damn neat. Anyway, let's open this thing up and see what we got. Alright, come back to that in a minute. Alright, some of you may already know what this is. Well, given the title of the damn video, you will, but anyway, this is a spinning top from Prometheus Lights. It's the Lambda. And I saw a video just by accident online and thought that was just the coolest thing. So that's how you get it. Pull it out of there. Neat little presentation case, that's for sure. So yeah, this is a ruby, lab created, right? Lab grade. And it's supposed to be a perfect sphere. And it is drilled through in the top so you can see the light through the ruby. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but yeah, just take my word for it. Now these used to be two-piece. This center shaft all the way through to where the ruby is mounted was an insert, and then he later changed over to the all one piece model. So anyway, I mean, everybody should know what in the hell a top is. If not, maybe I'm older than I think, but I owned them as a child and I like to fidget excuse me, I like to fidget with stuff. Anyway, so I picked it up. I ordered this separately. This is a concave optical grade glass disc, and the thought is, since it's concave on both sides, it's concave, it'll keep the top, you know, within the center portion of the glass. But yeah, I think this will be just something neat to kind of expel a little mental stress or something for a few minutes, just to kind of regather my thoughts. As well as I think it'll be a pretty neat conversation piece too. This thing's pretty small. It's I think it's rated for about 34.5 grams on their website. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Make sure we're zeroed, and we are. Man, look at that, 34.5 grams on the damn money. So this thing's supposed to be, you know, manufactured with extreme precision in mind, and that weight alone matching what it's rated at online is a pretty good indication that that's correct. But anyway, this is made out of solid brass. It has the ruby insert bearing. You can get that bearing also in a stainless steel, ceramic, and I think there's another option, but hell, I can't remember what it is. But anyway, diameter is about 1 inch. Now I've not spun a top since I was a small child, so if this flies across the damn desk, I don't want to hear any shit about it. So anyway, let's give her a shot. Now these things should be self-centering to some kind of degree. I don't know how well it will self-center, but all that wobble should kind of level out over a period of time. And I've seen, you know, reports where this thing has spun up to about 20 minutes, you know, off a single spin. I didn't spin it very hard, trying to be a little cautious, but you know, it's kind of cool. You know, just kind of get your mind off of whatever you're dealing with for a moment and focus it elsewhere and recollect your thoughts. So yeah, there you go. While that's doing its thing, something I didn't expect was a little polishing cloth. So it says on the back, soft, effective sunshine cloths with their special micro abrasives, clean and brighten jewelry brilliantly. Good for gold, silver, brass, copper, bronze, etc. Anyway, so yeah, there you have it. I'll give this another little spin here just to see what happens. Oh, that was probably a little better than the first one. Just a quick little review, or unboxing rather, not really a review. I've spun it twice so far, so I really can't review it, but initial thoughts are very good quality. It's a good novelty item. Maybe a good way to help you distract your thoughts off of something that might be stressing you out for a few minutes, just to kind of regather yourself a little bit. But I have a very stressful job, so sometimes I need to take a, couple minute, 5-minute breather and break away from whatever I'm doing. So this is a good way to kind of shift my thoughts away for a moment. Anywho, put your thoughts down below in the comments. Like or dislike, doesn't matter. Thanks for watching, folks.